Hello everyone, I am Ashish Nandre. I am thrilled to welcome you to this video series of Python programming. Whether you are a complete beginner or some experienced with coding, this video series is designed to provide solid foundation in Python. That's why its name is kept as the power of Python. Why should we go for Python? Python is an excellent choice for beginner and experienced developer due to its simplicity and readability. Its syntax is clear and straightforward, making it easier to learn and use. Beyond its ease of use, Python is incredibly powerful and versatile. It is used in wide range of fields including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and many more. It is rich in its various libraries for our programming disposal. Now let us see how Python is developed and how it is maintained. Python is high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and versatility. It was developed in late 1980s and early 1990s by the Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum. It was developed as a hobby project. Python is inspired by ABC, Algol 68, C++, Unix shell languages. Python 1.0 released in Jan 1994 officially. It includes features like exception handling, functions, and core data structures like lists and dictionaries. Python 2.0 was released in October 2000, which included new features like garbage collection, support for Unicode, and list comprehension. Python 3.0 was released in December 2008, and the goal was to rectify fundamental design flaws in the language. Python community maintains Python 2.x and Python 3.x concurrently for several years. Python 2.7 release in July 2010 was the last release in the Python 2.x series. Continued to be supported until Jan 1st, 2020. Nowadays, Python has grown to become one of the most popular programming language in the world. Now let us see some features of the Python language. Python is simple and easy to learn. Python has simple and straightforward syntax that closely resembles English, making it easier to learn and use, especially for beginner. Python is versatile and portable. Python can run on various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux. This cross-platform nature ensures that Python programs are portable and can be executed on different systems without modification. Python is free and open source. Python code can be changed according to programmer's choice, and it does not cost single penny for usage. Python is high-level language. Python abstracts many complex details of the computer from the programming, allowing developers to focus on writing code to solve the problems rather than managing memory and other low-level operations. Python is object-oriented programming language. Python supports object-oriented programming language, which includes encapsulation of code with objects. This is useful for organizing and structuring code, making it reusable and easier to manage. Python is interpreted language and interactive language. Python is an interpreted language, meaning code is executed line by line It makes debugging easier and enhance rapid development of the programs. Python is a dynamic language. Python does not require explicit declaration of the variable data type. The type of variable is determined at runtime, which simplifies coding but requires careful management to avoid the errors. Python is extensible. Python can be extended with additional modules like libraries, either from standard source or third-party source. This extensibility allows developer to add functionality as needed. Python supports multi-threading also. Now, besides these features, Python has some limitations. So let us see some limitations of the Python language. Parallel processing is not efficient in Python. Slow due to interpreter. Slow desktop application. It means the big applications or big desktop applications cannot fit into single executable file. That's why it is slow. Due to continuous evolution, these limitations are being overcome rapidly. As we have seen that Python is versatile language and its popularity among the programmers makes it available for different purposes. So let us see some applications of the Python language. First, web development, data science and analytics, machine learning and artificial intelligence, automation and scripting, scientific computing, game development, desktop GUI application development, network programming, cyber security and cloud computing. So friends, we have seen features, limitations and applications of Python language. This was the first video from the series of the power of Python